Hello and welcome everyone. Today we have a dashboard for a Volvo car and we are going to change the sideboard for it. So let's get started. So this is supposed to be a quick job. As you guys can see here, there is a ribbon cable between the two boards, and what we are going to do, we're gonna separate them, get the other board, slap it in here, solder it, and we are all set. So you're gonna start with applying a flux. You're gonna suck all of the solder. I'm gonna start with using my small suction tool. If it doesn't work, and then we'll switch to the big one. Okay, that doesn't want to work. Okay, let's try it one more time. Nope. Well, I can definitely wick all of this too, but it's gonna take a lot of time. I'll suck as much as I can, and after that I may need to clean my tool. It's already getting hard to push. Got already filled up with solder. Okay, we can hopefully finish it. It's not really a common repair that we get. That's why I may not have the proper tool for this. I'll get the big one. This one much more stronger than the other. But you can't operate with one hand for this suction. That's why I always prefer to use the other one. Here. So Gotta make sure that all of these not connected to anything anymore. Sometimes you have to give it a little bit of a wiggle to loosen it. Here, just push, push, push. Here, these all are loose now. They're not connected to anything, most of them. Probably this is the last one, I guess. Let's see. Here. Perfect. So I think now all of them desoldered. Here. Yeah, they all seems to be good except one, I guess. Right there. That's the one. Yeah, that's the one. I got only one left here. That's it. So as you guys can see, here we got the sideboard out. Gonna get the new ones, put it in here. We'll do exact same thing one more time. This is the donor board. I like to skip one each time, as you guys can see. The whole idea of this, not to apply too much heat at a certain point, so I keep skipping one and then go back to it one more round to do the missing one. Just that's a good way to distribute the heat. Now let's see. As usual, they need that tiny wiggle. Yeah, here. Perfect. So now we got this out. I don't think I'm going to reassemble the donor parts. There's no really point for me. I'll just keep them aside until we make sure that the repair has been done successfully. One of the things that annoys me that I don't have really way to test these kind of devices at the shop. We have to connect it back in the car, test it out, which is too much work just to making sure whether everything works well or not. Okay. This one is giving me a little bit of a hard time. Here, just... Come on. Okay. And okay, finally, we got it all in. Now we're gonna start soldering this cable back. And I'll apply a flux everywhere where I'm going to solder. And we'll be using exact same idea. Apply solder 1. Skip to the next. Skip 1 and go to the next. Skip 1. Few more left. And last one. And this is how it looks like. We'll just clean it very well. Inspect it, make sure that everything looks good. And this is how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. And yeah, we're gonna just close it, put it back together, hand it to the customer, and that's pretty much it for today.